Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you a really nice 64 Chevrolet Malibu SS. Malibu SS would be the package it had back in 64. That's how they did it. Bumper's nice shape, all the chrome up front. Looks good, not really any issues there. Paint, nice quality paint on it. Just a good looking car. We put new American racing wheels on it, torque thrust. See a little rub there on the door at one time. Oh, I think there's a couple chips, yep, right there. And right there on the edge of the fender. So, you know, the paint's a little older on it, but boy, it's still nice. You can see my reflection there in the door, so you can see it's got a nice quality. Like I said, a few little chips there, so driver quality. But really nice car, 4-speed, so it's got a crate motor in it of some sort, so no identifications on the motor. So small block Chevy, 350, 327, somewhere in there, I would guess. But just kind of a driver, nothing real modified or anything, but nice driving car. You can see the same deal here, got a nice shine to it. So paint, good paint quality, just a little older, shows a couple chips here and there just from driving it, enjoying it. So them can be touched up on the edge also. Just get some red this color and touch them up and they won't hardly be noticeable. So got nice gaps on it, just a nice car, Nevada car, so nice and no rust issues, nice clean car. So not a lot of faults on this car. Fun to drive with a 4-speed. So watch my running and driving video also. 605-695-7391.